of all, we see the quality of the neck. See, it's the neck, and it's washed many times, I think approximately 20 to 30 times I washed it. So see, it's small size, but it would fit a person who normally wear XL or double XL size for the girls, because it's boyfriend t-shirt, so it is very loose, even in small size also. So now coming to the printed part. See, this printed part is the quality of the printed material is also good. It does not go in any wash, because see, it's very clear. So but only one problem is that it's rubber print, so it gets slightly yellowish, so you have to wash it properly. Now the next coming to sleeves part. When we see the sleeves, see what happened, is this, after many wash kiya, after even a single wash only, these sleeves were like folded, so it takes a time to iron it. It was my review, and see, the quality of the material is good. There is no issue with the quality of the material. You can see it's properly well stitched. Okay.
So now friends, you might be thinking that how I got this for 125 rupees. So I just used PayPal, that is I paid through PayPal, and I got 50% discount in my PayPal voucher. So it cost me 125 rupees and its original price was rupees 250.